Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today's recipe is pineapple trifle. This is a tried and tested version, so do try this recipe at your next and let us know how it turned out. Here I have taken medium-sized ripe pineapple and removed the thorns. With it I have taken 1.5 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Add all of the above ingredients to a pressure cooker and pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles or until soft. Post 5 whistles of pressure cooking, the pineapple has become soft and mushy, yet it retains its shape. I have removed this separately and also saved the sugary pineapple syrup for later use in the dessert. To make the custard, I have taken 750 ml of milk and allowing it to come to a boil. Once the milk starts to boil, add 1 cup of sugar. Let the sugar dissolve completely. Once the sugar has dissolved and the milk has reached a thicker consistency, add the custard slurry to the milk gradually. Keep mixing to avoid lumps and make the custard thick as it has to set in the dessert. Allow this to cool. Moving on to the assembly, you can either use individual serving cups or a single serving dish. Single serve dish makes it easier always. Here I have used a single serve dish for assembling the trifle layers. The first layer would be the juicy pineapple slices. You can either cut and layer or layer whole slices as such. The second layer would be vanilla sponge cake. Here I have removed the crust for an even finish. Drizzle or brush the pineapple and sugar syrup to make the cake moist. The third layer would be the cool thick custard mixture. Make an even layer of it. Lastly, add a good amount of thick cream. You can also use whipped cream. Make an even thick layer of the cream. For garnishing, I have used grated chocolate. You can also decorate with fruits and berries. Chill this in the fridge for a minimum of 3 to 4 hours. Post 3 hours, the dessert is fully set. The layers are visible and tasted delicious. The custard and the cream go hand in hand with the juicy pineapples. You can try this recipe with berries also. It works wonderfully. Do try this recipe and let us know how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.